In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert an Excel file into Google Sheets. This is a useful skill to have, especially in today's world, where cloud storage and collaborations are ever increasing. You get to work seamlessly with colleagues and access your documents from any internet-connected device. So, without further ado, grab your Excel file, and let's begin the journey of converting it into Google Sheets. First, we must navigate to Google Drive, which is the starting point of this conversion process. Make sure you're logged in with the Google account where you'd like the Google Sheet to be saved. Once your Google Drive is open, you'll see the familiar interface with your folders and files. At this point, we're ready for the next step. Now, look towards the top left corner of your screen, and you'll spot a New button. It's hard to miss, usually highlighted in blue. Go ahead and click on this New button. Once you do that, a drop-down menu will appear. Here, in the drop-down menu, one of the options will be Google Sheets. Click on Google Sheets. That action will open up a new, untitled Google Sheet in a fresh tab or window. This sheet will act as our placeholder where we will import the Excel data. In the newly opened Google Sheets tab, direct your attention to the top menu bar and click on File. Once you've done that, a menu will drop down, showing a variety of options. Find and click on Import, which should be somewhere towards the middle of this menu. This is the gateway to bringing your Excel data into this Google ecosystem. After clicking Import, a dialog box will present itself with several options, but the one we're interested in right now is Upload. So, find the Upload tab and click on it. At this point, Google Sheets will allow you to drag an Excel file straight into the dialog box, or you can choose to click on Browse. Choosing to browse will allow you to navigate through your local files and locate the specific Excel file that you wish to convert into a Google Sheet. Once you've found that file, click on it to select it, thus priming it for uploading. Once your file name appears in the dialog confirming the selection, shift your focus to the bottom of that dialog box and click on Replace Spreadsheet. This will ensure that the Excel data gets imported into our previously created blank Google Sheet. All that's left is to finalize the import process by clicking Import Data. Once you do that, voila! Your Excel file is now transformed into a Google Sheet. Congratulations! You've just converted an Excel spreadsheet into Google Sheets, making it accessible and shareable right through your Google account. This process is not only quick, but also ensures that you can share and collaborate with others effortlessly. Thanks for watching, and happy collaborating.